Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing fine. As for me, I'm doing great. Today we are going to make hair mask, which is rice. We have two ingredients that we are going to use. We are going to use rice and cornstarch. So those two ingredients, they are good combination. If you want to straighten your hair, you want your hair to retangle, or you want to your hair to free from freezing, so these two ingredients is going to help you a lot, and it's going to promote your hair for growing and help with your hair follicle and elasticity of your hair. So these two ingredients combined together is ready to go, and is going to promote your hair grow like crazy. Rice have a lot of benefit, and also cornstarch also do having so benefit. So guys, I will leave you to watch the video to the end, and after cooking the rice, just blend it together. Just look the video just the way I'm doing it. I'm sorry guys for the before you get to the last part of the video. When I was doing the recording, my camera went off. I didn't realize that, so that is why you didn't see everything when I applied to my hair to the finishing. So just apply to your hair. You can leave it for 1 hour. Later you wash your hair, you use it. But before you use it, apply it on your hair. First of all, wash your hair with shampoo so as to take all the dirtiness away from your hair, so that this one can stand as hair condition on your hair. So that is all guys. Please guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more video, and follow us for our YouTube channel. Subscribe, you can press the notification bell to know each time we upload video. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.